In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete entire workspace in Slack. If you're certain it's time to remove a Slack workspace, this guide will walk you through it clearly and carefully. Deleting a workspace is a permanent action that removes channels, messages, and files for everyone in that workspace. So it's worth pausing for a moment to make sure this is truly what you want. If you manage multiple workspaces, double check that you're working in the correct one before proceeding. A quick note on access. Only users with the right permissions, typically a workspace owner or admin, will see the controls you need. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, it likely means your account doesn't have administrative privileges in that workspace. In that case, you'll need to contact someone who does. Assuming you have the proper access, the path to deletion is straightforward and quick. Start by looking at the left-hand pane in Slack. There, you'll find an admin section. Click on Admin, then choose Workspace Settings. This area is the control center for your workspace, and it's where Slack groups the most important options related to managing your organization's setup. If your sidebar is condensed, expand it so you can clearly see the admin entry. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Slack occasionally updates labels and layout, but you're aiming for the admin area and then the Workspace Settings page. Once you're on the Workspace Settings page, move to the Settings tab. Inside this tab, you'll find the option to delete the workspace. This is the place where Slack surfaces actions that affect the entire environment. Selecting Delete Workspace will begin the process of permanently removing the workspace and everything associated with it. Because this is irreversible, Slack may display important information about what will be lost and who will be impacted. Take a moment to read any notices on the screen, so you're fully aware of the consequences before you proceed. And that's all there is to it. To recap, you go to Admin on the left pane, open Workspace Settings, head to the Settings tab, and select Delete Workspace. Keep in mind that this action affects everyone in the workspace, so it's best to communicate with your team ahead of time and make sure any essential information has been saved elsewhere. If your goal is simply to reduce clutter rather than shut everything down, consider whether other workspace management options might better fit your needs. Thanks for watching, and take care as you manage your Slack environment.